All right, so let's get into these bad boys. Releasing November 7th, $220 retail, which is pretty high. But I wanted to kind of give you guys a breakdown, a little bit of history on why they decided to go with these specific colors. And really, are these worth it? I mean, the last Wota that they came out with, Jordan Brand, was pretty trash, man. I ain't gonna hold y'all. The 5s are way superior quality than something like these Wota 4s, which were just honestly executed very poorly. I mean, I feel like every single Wota so far, I mean, yeah, man, has there been like an amazing Wota besides maybe like a LeBron or even the SBs? They're pretty just childish. I mean, I ain't gonna hold y'all. Like, as far as being a collector, they're super dope, but hopefully I can change your mind and show you that they do look extremely dope on foot. Would I rather have seen Tokyo 5s that we all would have took the L on? Yes. This is probably one of my grails, like I told you guys in the last video. Fortunately for us, the Raging Bulls are actually gonna drop early next year, so that is fire. And if the quality is anything like these, man, we're in good hands. A little breakdown on why Jordan Brand is releasing these now, because it's actually the 30th anniversary of the Jordan 5. And I think that's why we have so many different hints. I think there's about like 6 different shoes in here. We have obviously the Tokyo 5s, Shanghai, Bel Air, Olive, Laser, Quad 54 is, I'm pretty sure, Quad 54. That's what the whole like bottom is all about. And what else did I forget? The green beans that we got going on here. So there is a good amount of shoes. This is definitely a Wota, I'll tell you that. Now with that retail price being $220, I can see a lot of people sleeping on these just because there are so many shoes that are gonna be coming, not only in November, which I don't know, you guys think I should start doing like a weekly breakdown or monthly breakdown of what is to come? There's so much coming. I can see a lot of people sleeping on these just because of that $220 price point. As far as reselling, you can make a little bit of money on these if that's what you want to do. Hey man, I know rent is due, do your thing. But other than that, they really did execute these. Like, suede is on point, just every detail is on point. There's no flaws in this pair. Even the stitching on the Jumpman, you know, sometimes 5s are just goofy. Beautiful 5 with that 3M on both tongues, which is super dope. And overall just executed really well, but there's some small little things that I'm just kind of shocked they didn't do, especially at that price point. Now, obviously, it is at that price point because of the suede, because of the quality of the Jordan, right? We all know these cost like $12 to make. Come on, let's be real. That's not what it's about. This ain't no Italian. I saw someone in the last video like, man, you're always trying to compare materials. This is Jordans, bro. These are sneakers. This isn't like Italian-made high-end stuff. That's not what we're about, man. That's not what this culture is about. So, you know, you get what you get and you don't throw a fit if that's what you want. They kind of lacked on the insoles, super basic on those, which I don't understand. Like, why couldn't they have like some unique aspect to the soles, which again is not really that important. Maybe more so from like a collector standpoint, but also like, really just this basic box, like not even like the cool one with, you know, like the collage box. Come on, man. That's just goofy. It don't even make any sense. Those are my only 2 complaints. Let's get into the color breakdowns of each shoe. Now, the reason I think, all speculation, why they're charging $220 for the sneaker is just because of what goes into them. Every single one of these are obviously, they're more just premium, limited sneakers that most of us will never have because they cost insane amount of money, right? Each pair. We have the Shanghai right here, which goes for like, I think $800. Raging Bull is definitely up there, but thank God they're coming out again. The Green Bean 5s, you got the Bel Air 5s, and obviously the Quai, which was pretty dope because this came in black and in white, and those are just stupid, bro. Like, I'm not even tripping. Like, the only sneaker that I would want out of all these combined is definitely the Tokyo 5s. So getting into that, we obviously have the Tokyo 5, a lot of that inspiration of Japan. We have the Bel Air bottom, which is pretty interesting. And then on top, we have the laser all throughout here. And then they added that one element of the 3M and then the orange on here, which is actually that army green. Again, another sneaker sitting around $500. So that's what's pretty cool about this. And it just destroys the whole aspect of these, man. Come on, like, y'all tell me these aren't trash. Like, I love Jordan 4s. Obviously the Cement 4, you ever asked me one shoe that I would just, if I had to give up everything and just wear one shoe over and over, it would definitely probably be the Cement 4s, honestly. And Jordan 5s on the other hand, if you want to get these, I definitely would recommend going true to size. Again, I always like to go back to the aspect of just, it's kind of like a childish shoe. Like, you know who'll be wearing these. I mean, I'll probably wear them, but you get what I'm saying? Like, the mismatched shoe thing is just not that fire anymore. Like, unless you have maybe like some LeBrons or something crazy. I'm just not too into like the shoes not being the same color, but they do look fire on foot, which we'll get to next, man. I'm just glad I'm able to show you guys these beforehand. And a lot of people are like, hey Mike, like, I'm new to the shoe game, man. I don't understand how you have these before they even release, man. It don't even make no sense. Those are fake, blah, blah, blah. No, they're 100% real. To get real sneakers early, bro, all you gotta do is pay a lot of money. It's easy, anyone can do it. Like, it's not that hard. It's just, are you gonna get your money back? Me, on the other hand, this is my job. So if I make this video and another video, I'll probably get my money back, or I could just sell them. You know what I'm saying? That's literally how it works. There's no secrets to it. You gotta pay to play. So let's go ahead and throw these bad boys on, and you know, you guys can give me your thoughts down below. And there you have it, man. That is the What the Jordan 5 on feet full review. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you had to choose, right? Like, if you could get the same color shoe, are you going with the red, the Raging Bull, or are you going with the Tokyos? You know what I'm saying? Like, would you rather have two yellow Tokyos with the crazy colors, or would you rather have two Raging Bull with the crazy colors? Like, this would even be fire if they would have put the 23. Again, fun fact, if you didn't know, this is actually a 23. On here. That would have been pretty cold just to change it up. But there you guys have it, man. This is your boy ASneakerLife. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that thumbs up. It goes a long way. Let's get these views back up. But I'll catch you on the next one. Run it.